Hello, 7th grade parents and students. Mr. Flegel here with a quick recap on what we accomplished today in class. If you look at the Google Classroom for today, you'll see Monday, August 5th. It says we're doing something called Mimeo Training and About Me Gazette. We did most of our focus today on the Mimeo Training. That's simply these little gadgets, if I can get it in the camera, these little gadgets. We use these for all quizzes, or almost all quizzes, almost all tests, and it's just kind of a fun way to take the quizzes and tests. For a multiple choice question, these lights, see if I can do this, these lights A, B, C, D will be lit up, and for true-false questions, the true-false buttons down here will be lit up. I'm sure your students can do a much better explanation of these things. They always get rave reviews. 7th graders love to use them. So again, we use those for quizzes and tests. We kind of just did a practice run today so they know what they're doing. And they're pretty comfortable with it, but we're going to practice again one more time tomorrow. The second thing we did in class today was the About Me Gazette. So if we go to our classwork and click on Today again, let's look at the assignment and get the instructions. All this is something, it just helps me get to know the students better. It shows a little bit of their personality. It asks their likes and dislikes. I told the kids today that we have 177 more days of being together, and the last thing I want to do is just be a history teacher. So it helps me get to know them. I share a little bit about myself, and it just helps us hopefully understand and respect each other a little bit more as the year gets on. So that was kind of our day today. Again, tomorrow we're going to practice this Mimeo training a little bit more. And hopefully, again, they can explain that to you a little bit better, but we're going to use it for quizzes and tests. That's it for Monday, August 5th, and I hope you have a good night.